In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell website templates with Gohighlevel. We're going to walk through the full setup process inside your Gohighlevel account so you can package one of your website templates and turn it into a product that's ready to sell. This is a simple workflow, and once you do it once, it becomes very easy to repeat for future templates. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and open the sub-account where the website template is stored. This is important because you want to work inside the correct client or business workspace before sharing or selling anything. Once you're inside the right sub-account, go to the left-hand menu and click on Sites. From there, click on Websites so you can view all the website assets available in that account. Find the website template you want to sell, then click the three-dot menu on that specific website. This opens more options for managing that template. Next, click on Share. This is the part where you prepare the template so it can be delivered properly. You'll then adjust the access settings based on how you want the buyer to receive it. Take a moment here to make sure the permissions match your intended level of access. When everything looks right, click Done to confirm. After that, move to the left-hand menu again and click on Payments. Inside Payments, click on Products, and then click on Products again if needed to reach the product list area. Once you're there, select Create Product. Now you'll build the item your customer will actually purchase. Start by adding a title. Make the title clear and specific so buyers instantly understand what template they're getting. In the description field, paste the share link for the website template. This is a key step because it gives the buyer access to what they've purchased. Make sure the link is correct before moving on. Next, add your price. You can set the amount based on the value of the template, the niche, or how customized it is. After pricing, add variants if you want to offer different options such as multiple versions or package levels. Variants can help you organize different template choices under one product instead of creating separate listings for each one. Once all of that is filled out, click Cool. And that's it. You've taken a website template from your Gohighlevel site library, shared it, and turned it into a sellable product inside the payments section. If you plan to sell multiple templates, keeping your titles, links, pricing, and variants organized will make the process much smoother going forward.